Welcome to our tutorial on Clicker Cloze. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to create and edit a Cloze document. Cloze documents allow you to quickly produce a fill-the-blanks activity based on a piece of text with key information removed. To create this activity, click the arrow next to the New Document icon in the Document ribbon and choose New Cloze Document. Give your Cloze activity a title and type or paste your text. You can now select the words you want to remove. You can either highlight specific words and choose Remove Selected. This will allow you to remove targeted words or phrases of up to 3 words. You could use Express Remove instead to create an activity quickly by removing words at a specified frequency, such as every 5th word, or that share a spelling pattern. You can also choose to leave initial sentences intact. Next, you can decide the level of support you want to offer your class when filling in the gaps. The Suggestions option allows you to choose how many words are offered when selecting each blank. Custom allows you to type in the words to be offered. Or you can choose None, so learners must fill in the gaps by typing the answers themselves. You can also decide whether to grey out words that have already been added to the text. Once you have finished creating or editing your Cloze document, click Go to use the activity. Thanks for watching. See our other tutorials for more Clicker features.